Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name.
What do you think? You want to give him a try?
Me?
Lights, camera, action.
My first performance was actually not to think that you wouldn't know that I'm old, but this really establishes.
The enigmatic world of Hollywood has birthed countless stars whose names sparkle on the silver screen, leaving an indelible mark on our collective imagination. Among these stars stands the charismatic and versatile actor Woody Harrelson, whose talent knows no bounds, from his gripping performances in iconic films like Zombieland to his portrayal of the beloved character Haymitch Abernathy in the Hunger Games franchise. But there's something more to Woody Harrelson than his on-screen prowess. Behind the scenes, he has unlocked the secret to defying the passage of time and maintaining an awe-inspiring level of health and vitality. At the age of 61, he embodies the epitome of well-being, radiating energy that could power 1,000 suns. The key to his enduring wellness lies in his complete diet and workout routine, a carefully crafted regimen that has not only transformed his life, but has also banished sickness from his life forever. If you watch this video to the end, then you will discover the secret diet and workout routine which has allowed this actor to successfully reverse aging. Born on July 23, 1961 in Midland, Texas, Woody Harrelson came into the world with an innate spark of talent and a penchant for embracing life's adventures. Raised in a family that valued education and creativity, Harrelson's early years were shaped by a deep appreciation for the arts. It was during his high school years that Harrelson's passion ignited like a wildfire, consuming every corner of his being. Then came a moment that forever etched his name in the annals of television history, as if written in the stars.
Jump off of television into movies. Now, it's kind of an open door both directions.
Harrelson slipped effortlessly into the role of Woody Boyd on the beloved sitcom Cheers. With enduring charm and impeccable comedic timing, he won over the hearts of millions, ascending to the pinnacle of critical acclaim. A rising star, he shone brightly, illuminating the path to his inevitable destiny. In an interview with In Style in the days leading up to the 2018 film Solo, a Star Wars story, in which he played the role of Beckett, he said, "I eat vegan, but I mostly eat raw. If I have a cooked meal, I feel my energy drop."
I would say to increase the amount of raw organic food.
So when I first started shifting my diet, it wasn't as much for a moral or an ethical pursuit, but an energetic pursuit. Also, while speaking to In Style, he revealed his reason for going vegan, and he said, "A third of all cereal crops and more than 95% of soy is turned into feed for farmed animals." He added, "If we were to really change things and put in 1,000th of the budget that was spent on military for the past 5 years into protecting rainforests or supporting alternative energy, it would be amazing." This actor also revealed that when he was still a teenager, he had awful skin problems, with low energy levels always. After this, his friend suggested to him about giving up eating dairy products and speaking on this, and he said, "3 days later, my skin was clearing up. It turned me on to the effect that diet has on you as an energetic source. At the time, I was eating steaks and burgers, and I'd always want to take a nap afterward. Some body types can deal with it, but not me. So I stopped eating meat, and I felt a lot better." Breakfast in Harrelson's vegan diet routine consists of a variety of plant-based options. He begins his day with plant-based milk, such as almond, soy, or oat milk, and a selection of toppings. These toppings include fresh berries, sliced bananas, chopped nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, and a drizzle of maple syrup for added sweetness. Another breakfast option for this actor is a tofu scramble, where crumbled tofu is sautéed with vegetables such as spinach, bell peppers, and onions, and seasoned with herbs and spices to create a satisfying and protein-rich dish. For lunch, Harrelson opts for a salad filled with an array of fresh vegetables and plant-based protein sources. His salad includes leafy greens like spinach or mixed greens with cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, shredded carrots, and avocado. For added protein, he incorporates ingredients like chickpeas, black beans, or quinoa. To enhance the flavors, he dresses the salad with a homemade vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and herbs. In his vegan dinner routine, Harrelson explores a diverse range of plant-based meals. One option is vegetable stir-fry, featuring a medley of stir-fried vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, and mushrooms. These vegetables are sautéed with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce, then served over brown rice or quinoa. Another dinner option is a flavorful plant-based curry with a base of coconut milk and spices, complemented by an assortment of vegetables such as cauliflower, potatoes, and peas. He loves to enjoy this curry alongside a portion of whole grain bread or naan. Throughout the day, Harrelson incorporates nutritious snacks to keep his energy levels stable. These snacks include fresh fruit like apples, oranges, or grapes, as well as raw nuts, seeds, or homemade energy bars made from ingredients like dates, nuts, and oats. Ultimately, Harrelson's vegan diet routine revolves around whole, plant-based foods, emphasizing fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and plant-based protein sources. Such a diet provides ample fiber, antioxidants, and important nutrients, while promoting overall health and aligning with his ethical and environmental values. Woody Harrelson maintains a rigorous workout routine that reflects his commitment to health and fitness. Now, let's explore the general principles and components that contribute to his well-rounded approach to workouts. Apart from being an avid surfer, strength training is a fundamental aspect of Harrelson's workout routine. He incorporates resistance exercises, such as weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, and functional movements. He aims to build and maintain lean muscle mass. This not only enhances his physical strength, but also boosts his metabolism, improves overall body composition, and supports optimal performance in physically demanding roles. Cardiovascular exercises play a significant role in Harrelson's fitness regimen. Engaging in activities like running, cycling, swimming, or high-intensity interval training, which helps improve cardiovascular health, endurance, and stamina. These exercises elevate his heart rate, burn calories, and enhance lung capacity, allowing him to sustain the energy levels required for his active lifestyle. This actor also engages in flexibility and mobility exercises, including stretching routines, yoga, or Pilates movements. While doing this, he aims to improve joint mobility, enhance flexibility, and prevent injuries. According to him, these exercises promote proper posture, range of motion, and body awareness, facilitating fluid movements and supporting his overall physical performance. Variety is crucial in Harrelson's approach to fitness. By incorporating a diverse range of exercises and activities, he keeps his workouts engaging, challenging, and effective. This not only helps prevent boredom, but also ensures that different muscle groups are targeted and different energy systems are engaged, promoting well-rounded physical development. In an interview, Harrelson revealed that rest and recovery are essential components to his workout routine, and he prioritizes them as this gives his body time to rest and repair, which allows for muscle growth and reduces the risk of overuse injuries. He incorporates relaxation strategies and techniques such as sufficient sleep, foam rolling, or massages. Woody Harrelson prioritizes the maintenance of his mental and emotional well-being alongside his physical health. And one aspect of this actor's approach to mental and emotional well-being involves mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help cultivate a sense of present moment awareness, reduce stress, and promote a greater sense of calm and clarity. Engaging in regular meditation sessions, whether guided or self-directed, supports emotional resilience and enhances overall mental well-being. Another aspect of Harrelson's approach is the cultivation of positive relationships and social connections. Nurturing meaningful connections with family, friends, and colleagues provides a sense of support, belonging, and emotional fulfillment. Engaging in open and honest communication, practicing active listening, and participating in activities that foster shared experiences contribute to his overall mental and emotional health. Harrelson also prioritizes self-care practices that support his mental and emotional well-being. This includes engaging in activities that bring him joy and fulfillment, such as pursuing hobbies, spending time in nature, practicing yoga, and engaging in his creative outlets such as surfing, writing, or painting. Additionally, Harrelson's commitment to environmental activism suggests that he finds purpose and fulfillment through contributing to causes greater than himself. Engaging in activities that align with one's values and beliefs can foster a sense of purpose and meaning, leading to increased satisfaction and well-being. For Harrelson, advocating for the environment and promoting sustainability may serve as sources of inspiration and contribute to his overall mental and emotional health. Lastly, Harrelson prioritizes setting boundaries and taking breaks to ensure he has time for rest, relaxation, and leisure activities. This balance allows for replenishing energy levels and preventing burnout, which is essential for sustaining optimal mental and emotional well-being, especially in his demanding career as an actor.